The good thing is about unpacking videos that you don't really have to take care of the background. Look at that, how gorgeous it is. It is. So the thing that I really liked is the packaging. People buy stuff judging by the looks of it, and it's definitely, this one definitely delivers. I really like this color. Perfect, very vibrant, very, very, very nice. For some reason I thought it's gonna be not paper but wood. Definitely if they come up with this idea to have paper and wooden box for some extra money, I would definitely go for the wooden box so I can keep it later. Ah, look. I was wondering which way up. So it says premium Japanese snacks. Oh, it's very exciting. Okay, discover Japan through snacks. Oh, that is an excellent idea. Next up, sakes. Okay, look, this is just absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. When you open a box and there is a thank you note. Happy snacking. Thank you. Well, no, thank you for, you know, making an effort to do the design and everything, you know. To get this in the post, it's like I felt really, I felt a jolt of energy. Seasons of Japan. Bokksu. We are excited to start this journey to Japan with you. Oh, this is just wonderful. You know my best friend? He turned, oh lovely, look at that. My best friend turned 30 and, yes, turned 30 and invited me to Japan to celebrate because I never been there, I never been to the country. But the thing was, I didn't want to go for a week. I said I'm going to go there for a longer period of time. So I didn't go, and now the whole thing is closed. So this one is savory, definitely salty ones. Oh god, it's quite a lot of things in this one. Sake, candy. Oh, exactly, this is what I was talking about. Look, sake. Excellent teas. Yeah, oh look. Look at the design, Hokusai. The painter. On the wall, I don't want to turn the camera right now, but on the wall I have Hokusai, but not the ocean, but the mountain Fuji. Okay, this is so authentic, I have no idea what it is. I think this one is salty as well. This, yes, this one. Seaweed. Yes, this is my face right now. Okay. I think it's with chocolate. Chocolate biscuit. Mojito. Oh my god, we need to try it all. This one looks salty as well. These guys, actually they were coming, these guys, these massive drums, they were coming here actually to the local theater before everything closed down for like a year. So we were considering to buy a ticket for the performance. White strawberry, yes, I actually looked up I actually looked up the catalog because, you know, every month is gonna be different, and I had my eye on this one with the strawberry candy. Oh, matcha, look, it's a cute selection. And what is this? This is another seaweed, yes. And this is how it looks like inside. Come, we need more light. Is this tomato? This is so exciting. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Okay, we're gonna try this one first. So we're having this one, the strawberry. And I can tell you that I never had anything like that. It's like ice cream, but it's not cold. I am 100% satisfied. I wanted something new, something exotic, something outlandish, something really special, but in the same time something that looks wonderful. And I really feel like I got it. Look, so many things I can't even box it back up. Thank you.